Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Tide Pod Preworkout is probably one of the most talked about supplements in the fitness community right now. But is it all hype, or does it actually deliver results? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Tide Pod Preworkout, exploring its ingredients, potential benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your workout routine. Get ready to uncover the truth behind this popular pre-workout and see if it lives up to the expectations. Number 5. Tide Pods Laundry Detergent Packs, 81 count, original scent. Tired of tough stains? Upgrade to these Tide Pods for effortless cleaning. It cleans tough stains and odors in just one wash. These are pre-measured, concentrated laundry detergent packs. They have built-in stain removers, odor fighters, and color protectors, all in one. This laundry soap cleans deep and fights odors. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh with the original Tide scent. Worried about cold water washes? These pods dissolve quickly and activate deeply on stains, even in cold water. This detergent is super concentrated. It has 3x cleaning ingredients per dose compared to the leading bargain liquid detergent. Using these is simple. Just add the packs to the washing machine drum before your clothes. For larger or heavily soiled loads, use an additional pod. This pack includes 81 Tide Pods laundry detergent packs with the original scent. Remember to keep it away from children, like any household detergent. What we like. This product offers a 3-in-1 cleaning power, tackling stains, odors, and protecting colors. It's also incredibly easy to use. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution for your laundry needs, this is the one for you. What people say. Each pod dissolves completely, even in cold water, and leaves my clothes fresh, soft, and truly clean. Removes stains and odors really well, even on gym clothes. They dissolve quickly, even in cold water, and leave clothes with a long-lasting, fresh scent. Number 4. Tide To Go Pen, Instant Stain Remover, 3 count. This is the Tide To Go Pen, a portable stain remover. It's designed to tackle stains on the go, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. The pen uses a powerful solution to break down stains. A microfiber pad then lifts and absorbs them, leaving your clothes clean. It doesn't contain any bleach. Its pen-like design fits easily into your bag or pocket. You can keep it in your briefcase, purse, or even your car for quick access. There's no mess and nothing to throw away. You don't have to worry about getting anything on your hands. It's simple and convenient. This pen works great on common stains like tomato juice, ketchup, and coffee. It's also effective on wine, tea, and chocolate syrup. It's a versatile solution for many different types of stains. What we like. This pen is designed for on-the-go stain removal, fitting easily into your bag or pocket. It effectively removes stains without the use of bleach. If you often find yourself dealing with unexpected spills and stains while out and about, you'll love how convenient it is. What people say. When the inevitable happens, dab off the excess and break out this Tide pen, shake it up good, push down on the spot to release liquid, get the spot wet, and then use the tip, work it into the fabric. They've saved my clothes countless times. I've only used the original, so can't speak to the scented ones. But they travel well and they work. Works for most small stains and has been great for buying us time until we can get home to wash it. Lightweight, it's perfect to throw in your toiletry bag for quick emergency messes. Number 3. Tide Pods Laundry Detergent, Spring Meadow Scent, 96 count. Tide Pods are packed with up to 90% active ingredients, ensuring you're paying for cleaning power, not water. This means a more concentrated clean with every use. You'll get more value and a superior clean. Experience the brightest clean yet with Tide Pods. This product is designed to make your brights even brighter and your whites even whiter. See the difference in your laundry. Tide Pods offer 3-in-1 technology, acting as a detergent, stain remover, and color protector all in one convenient pod. It simplifies your laundry routine while providing exceptional cleaning results. These pods dissolve in both hot and cold water, offering flexibility for all your laundry needs. It's easy to use and effective in any temperature. Just add it to the drum before your clothes. Always keep Tide Pods out of reach of children. Remember to handle them with dry hands and close the package after each use. Safety is always a priority. To use, simply add the packs to the drum of your washing machine before adding your clothes. This ensures the best cleaning performance. Follow the instructions for optimal results. What we like. This product is formulated to brighten your whites and colors, ensuring your clothes look their best. It utilizes 3-in-1 technology for comprehensive cleaning. If you like your clothes to be vibrant and clean, this is a great choice. What people say. Each pod dissolves completely, even in cold water, and leaves my clothes fresh, soft, and truly clean. Remove stains and odors really well, even on gym clothes. They dissolve quickly, even in cold water, and leave clothes with a long-lasting, fresh scent. Number 2. Tide Pods Original Scent Laundry Detergent, 96 count. Introducing Tide Pods, the ultimate laundry solution. This innovative product delivers a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step. It's designed to make your laundry routine easier and more effective. Each Tide Pods pack is a 3-in-1 powerhouse. It combines super concentrated detergent, extra odor fighters, and extra stain removers. This ensures that your clothes come out clean, fresh, and ready to wear. Tide Pods are designed to dissolve completely in any water condition. Whether you have hard or soft water, the packs will break down and deliver a thorough clean. It is very convenient to use. These laundry packs are specifically recommended for use on fabric. They are formulated to effectively clean and refresh your clothes. You can trust it to keep your clothes looking their best. No matter what type of washing machine you have, Tide Pods will work for you. It is compatible with all washing machines, including high-efficiency models. It's the perfect solution for any laundry room. What we like. This product provides a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step, thanks to its 3-in-1 laundry packs. It works effectively in all washing machines. If you want a simple yet effective laundry solution, you should consider this. What people say. Each pod dissolves completely, even in cold water, and leaves my clothes fresh, soft, and truly clean. Remove stains and odors really well, even on gym clothes. They dissolve quickly, even in cold water, and leave clothes with a long-lasting, fresh scent. Number 1. Tide Pods Ultra Oxy Laundry Detergent, 73 count. This is the new Tide Pods, a 4-in-1 laundry solution. It combines detergent, stain remover, color protector, and pre-treaters all in one convenient pod. It makes laundry day easier. The innovative design of this product tackles tough stains and odors. It is designed to dissolve in both hot and cold water, making it versatile for all your laundry needs. Whether you're washing in hot or cold water, these pods dissolve completely. This ensures that the cleaning agents are released effectively, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. This product is suitable for all fabrics. It helps to protect your clothes from fading while removing stains and odors. It's the perfect solution for your laundry. This product is designed to eliminate tough, set-in odors. It penetrates deep into the fabric fibers to remove smells, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. What we like. This product boasts a 4-in-1 technology, including built-in pre-treaters to tackle tough stains and odors. It's designed to dissolve in both hot and cold water. If you have stubborn odors or heavily soiled clothes, this is the perfect solution. What people say. With one simple toss-in pod, I get detergent, stain remover, color protector, and built-in pre-treaters, really a full all-in-one solution. The pods dissolve in both hot and cold water and handle set-in stains, grass marks, and everyday messes with ease. The built-in pre-treater really works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.